gonna check out my latest random turnover. I get a random text again. Long-term tenant, 1.5 years. Text me, hey, I've moved out. My keys are inside the kitchen drawers. Hope it doesn't cause any inconvenience, but we didn't cause any damage. So I'm checking it out. I already sent my cleaners. It looked amazing in the pictures, but we're gonna check it out. What this is, it's not a condo. I don't like condos, but I have some, but I don't seek them out. This is a townhome. So in a townhome, you still have to replace the roof. Condos, you just own wall to wall, only on the inside. The reason they're worthless, you don't own any of the land and you have no control. Now this is also in an HOA, but a townhome is always a better option because you own a lot more and you have to maintain a lot more. But what you can see, what I always liked about this, look at this. It's got a pool right there. Your parking is very close. And I only got it. Look, I'm gonna show you the power of real estate and what your best friend in real estate is. You know what it is? Time. Time is always your best friend. Look at this. I bought it $212,000 from the wholesaler. The wholesaler makes $20,000 one-time assignment. I do very little, maybe $15,000, $20,000 into it. And look at this, 4 months later, I appraised it $300,000. Now that was years ago, that was 2022. Doesn't matter. Fast forward, it's only worth, it hasn't appreciated much. It's only worth about $360 by doing absolutely nothing. But think about it, the reason is why I say infinite returns. I only put like 20 grand into it. It's making $700, $800 a month, completely passive, completely tax-free, and it has over 6 figures of equity. You can't quantify it, which is why time is always your friend. So you don't wait to buy, you buy and you wait and you buy and you hold. But let me show you around, really nice. I'm going to show you around. Look at this beautiful, beautiful place. Now, this is the original tile, how we got it. Remember what I tell you, never change the flooring. We've had this flooring. It's incredible. Single story, okay? And again, townhome, condos, wall to wall. This, you actually have a little more ownership. Look how clean it is. And that is a random tenant turnover. They just left. Now, here's the good thing. Rent was paid. I still had 2 weeks left of the month. Deposit is fully forfeited, and I'm gonna re-rent it. It's close to ASU, which is the state university here. It is within 7 minutes. It's going to rent fast, and it's in Tempe. Normally, I'm only South Phoenix. Tempe, it is hot. All the college kids love it, so it's gonna go quick. But take a look. Very open feel. Look at this kitchen. Look at that. Let's see how they left the fridge. I mean, my cleaner's clean it. Look at that. No damage. Clean kitchen. I mean, the stove, crap like this happens. It's not the end of the world. But overall, all of it is clean. And here's the cool thing. Look at this. It's got a little private, come on here, patio. How private it is. You could have a cigar. You could have a little table situation. You could host. So in a very non-private community, in a way, you have a little bit of privacy. That was one of the things I really liked. Obviously, besides the numbers. I mean, the numbers is number one. I remove emotion when you're making decisions in real estate or any financial, and always do it with your wallet. So the way I make my decisions is I go based on numbers. No emotion, right? You're primary residence, you can have some emotion because that takes your money, this makes you money. So you vote with your wallet and vote on the numbers. So of course, what else are you going to do with $20,000 when I have this? Now I'm controlling an asset worth $350,000. If it goes up another 10%, that's $35,000. Forget all that. It's making money every single month. But look at this. So look at this right here. It's got its own laundry room. We put some cabinets. You got your water heater. Well, it was back in the day. I don't see when we replace it. The reason I'm not too worried, it's outside of the house. So if this goes bad, it's not going to flood the whole house. And if it's inside the house, you have to make sure they're on point, which is I always say 5-6 years change them, especially with our crazy heat here in Phoenix. So that's incredible. Over here in the patio, you actually have another gate towards the community. So a lot of good options. And it's one of the bigger units. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So like I said, it's gonna go quick. Something like this, $2,500, not bad. how big the master is. Now, we did change the flooring here. That's the waterproof. That's the waterproof flooring that we put. We left this tile. It's in here. Little closet. Look at this nice bathroom. Look at this. We do a great job at the showers. It is clean. It is ready. It's ready to make money, and somebody's going to call this home very, very soon. What's in here? Let's take a look. Yeah, I got a little walk-in closet. Plenty of room. So college kids or somebody that likes this area, it's, again, I'm not a fan of HOAs. Sometimes the numbers are so good you can't say no, and that was one of them, as you can see. But it will pencil. It does pencil. And let's see the other two. I mean, it is clean. No holes in the wall. The paint is clean, so it just happens. Another room. Remember, it's not a room without a closet. It's got its closet. Yeah. Could have been so much worse. And you guys have seen a lot worse. That's a interesting situation. Look at the tile. See how I have different tile? Doesn't matter. It's not a retail sale. Rents stay the same. Appraisals don't change. So don't spend money on it. What? Bathtub. Clean. Yeah. Oh, that's dirty. Look at that. My cleaners missed it. How dusty that is. Gross. All right. We're going to clean that. I mean, things get missed. Nobody's perfect, right? Except the best system in the game. That's bulletproof. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how big this walk-in, another walk-in closet. Look at how big it is. I mean, it's almost like a room. Incredible. I think that's not the waterproof flooring. You can see it lifting up a little bit, but it's still good. I'm not changing it right now. We're going to turn it over and we're going to make some money. All right. What did you learn from this? It should have been time is always your best friend when it comes to real estate. So time, buy, hold, never sell. I'm not going to sell. We're going to make money. Now I'm going to leave you. You've heard it a million times. Use the best system in the game for everything you do. Improve yourself. Stop slouching. Stop wearing your sandals outside, okay? And take care of your family. How do you do that? Is by buying real estate using the best system in the game. End of story, because you're making cash flow, not wages. Don't hold the wages. Stop trading your time for money. Figure it out. Okay, if it's a business, whatever, systems, leverage, or I prefer real estate, whatever it is, don't trade your time for money, and let's live the dream.